Good morning, guys. So I'm just going to be making myself some vegan Earl Grey tea. So how I do this is I just use a sachet of Earl Grey, some soy milk, and some cinnamon, and it's so hearty and delicious to drink this early in the morning. So for my breakfast here, I have some really cute cherry tomatoes that I'm just covering with a little bit of olive oil, oregano, salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna stick this in the oven at 350 for around 10 minutes. I have a day off from work and school, and that's why you'll see me cooking and eating a lot of food today, but this is not my usual routine. If you actually want to see what I eat on days when my schedule is super hectic, let me know in the comments below. Here I'm also sauteing some cremini mushrooms with some salt and pepper. I know this is not ideal, please don't judge me, but here I have a can of baked beans because I was just craving a big English breakfast. I'm also going to make some scrambled tofu. So here I have some extra firm tofu that I've just crumbled with my hands, and this is a super simple recipe. So to do this, I'm just gonna add, there's some oil, there's turmeric, a little bit of dried dill, salt and pepper, and that's it. And I'm just gonna cook it down till the raw smell of the turmeric is gone. So excited to dig into this. So for lunch, I'm just going to be making a very easy South Indian stir fry with ivy gourd. It's also known as kovakai in Tamil. You should be able to find this at any Indian grocery store. It's a gourd and it belongs to the cucumber family, so it has that light and fresh taste to it. To make this, I'm just gonna add oil and mustard seeds, the usual suspects. Just gonna stir fry this with turmeric, some spice mixes. If you actually want to know the recipe, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, so this took me a total of 15 or 20 minutes to make. So easy. I'm just gonna be eating this with some rice. And here, this is a lentil powder called podi in Tamil. It's literally just a seasoning for rice that's made out of lentils and red chilies. It's so flavorful, and I love having these powders on hand so that I can just literally make one stir fry on the side and I'm good to go. So for dinner, I had my friend Sarah come over and we were craving some vegan mac and cheese. So this is a recipe that I really love. To make the sauce, I just have some boiled potatoes and carrots. To this, I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast, olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt, and just blitz this. I usually also add lemon juice to this, but I didn't have any lemons on hand. So I'm just using some gluten-free pasta, or penne over here. It's not really macaroni, so it's a penne and cheese. So as you can see, it looks super creamy, super cheesy. I'm just gonna add this to my pasta. And I've also baked some broccoli here. I don't know about you, but I love it when broccoli is super crispy, straight out of the oven. And I can't believe that this recipe actually makes mac and cheese. I'm not really a fan of the processed fake cheeses, so this is definitely my go-to recipe when I am craving something cheesy. Thanks so much for watching this and eating with me today, and I'm going to be bringing out a lot more vlogs for you in the new year. Bye!